अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you button cards ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, so let's start today's video. Today we will make a beautiful flower or take a colorful button and arrange them like flowers on paper or canvas. Use green thread or paint to make it stem. Now glue all buttons carefully. Your beautiful button flower art is ready for wall decoration. Button wall tree frame. Draw a tree or paper. Now use different color buttons to make leaves. Glue the buttons on the branches. Place it in a frame. Your creative wall art is ready. And friends, and viewers, button bracelet. Take a thread or elastic string, add colorful buttons one by one, tie the end tightly. Your creative handmade bracelet is ready to wear. And viewers, button cushions cover. Viewers, and take a plain cushions cover, stitch or glue button in a patterns like heart or flower. This will give a stylish and creative look. And the viewers,